How to post pictures on TikTok comments. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to post a picture on a video of TikTok, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, make sure that your TikTok is updated to the latest version. After you've done that, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. After you do that, go to the comment section by clicking over here. Now you'll see all your comments over here. Now in order to post a picture, what you're gonna do is go to the photo icon which is on the bottom of the page over here. Click on it. After you do that, you'll see all the photos present on your camera roll over here. Now you can also choose the photo from the albums by clicking on the all option over here. Now after you've selected a photo you want to post, you can either write a comment or you can simply leave it as it is. Now in order to upload it, just click on the arrow over here which is given in the pink box. After you click on it, the comment will be uploaded. So this is how you can post a comment on TikTok videos. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.